All right, we are at the Florida Supershow here, and we are going to do our next tour is going to be the Brinkley 3500. This is also for one of our subscribers, Patricia. This one's for you.
I'm like, I know I should. Little charging station.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, big old sleeper sofa. Little basket.
You guys seen Brinkley before? Yes. Have you?
Nice. All right.
Just between the models.
Oh, right.
Already decided. I must flip up. I didn't notice that.
Oh, that's nice. Storage down there, yeah. Cool.
Kind of comparing.
Toy hauler car.
Oh, nice. I do like it.
So this one's actually got the enclosed bathroom where the 3950 had the wall.
Oh, look, it even has a, it's like mounted. All your toilet paper so it doesn't fly everywhere. Of course ours is in the cabinet. That's kind of cool.
Oh, I see.
It's got a little bit of storage underneath.
Oops.
It's enough.
Cool. So half bath, right?
Yep.
Okay. Got controls back here. 11-foot garage or 16-foot garage, your option.
Oh, medicine cabinet.
That's the hard part for us.
Medicine cabinet.
Yep.
Sweet.
It feels smaller.
It's got the Happy Jack system. And you got a loft that you can access from the garage side with the TV.
This is nice.
Yeah, I got a little shelf above the TV here in the living room.
It's getting storage. It's
So you have to have fun.
right
I was telling Nate, I was like, the way that he designed this
Got a
product,
fireplace.
people are buying this for way
is
more
nice,
than toys. Like a
because
lot of
it
people are buying it
actually,
for
like-
not toys. It's like a yoga
Ours has
studio,
only got
bonus
that little
room,
lip.
Right.
office space. So,
And this flips up.
yep.
But with the 3950, since you already have gas, now it's
That'll
going to have
flip
to be a
up.
little bit
Yep. And that, actually, that'll go all the way across to here.
Yep.
Yeah.
table.
Is that the cutting board?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not
Oh,
going to
yeah.
open it.
Yeah.
Put in all the drawers.
Yeah, definitely will mention.
So this is good. This is good because the more I hear this, the more we can take it back to him, and the more it might
Nice
change his mind. I mean, we're just we
One
like to
big
limit our options just for quality
then-
standpoint and consistency.
Yep, the famous silverware utensil drawer. Cabinets are nice and big. Lots of options.
I think you would still forget where things went.
I would. You open up them.
Which one? This one? Or this? Which one?
Yep.
I mean, the kids are they're all adjustable too.
Yeah, that's nice.
That thing's gonna break. Okay. Eventually.
4-burner oven and stove. Microwave. There we go. All right.
There we go.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I love that. That is cool.
Adjustable
Look at
shelves,
all the adjustable
dovetail
shelves. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Storage for your shoes
Which
underneath.
is nice.
Yeah. Got control system here.
And another nice slide for the bathroom.
Oh, that is nice.
Cute.
Look at all the room in that thing.
And then this is mounted again. I like that idea.
Yeah,
being
so you can put
mounted.
multiple rolls.
Yep. Oh, little trash can that's hidden.
Wow, that's cool.
That is nice. Storage. Quite a bit of storage in here.
Yeah, there is.
Washer,
Washer dryer prep on the bottom.
Yep.
Yep.
This is nice because it's already got the shelves. It even has a little collapsible laundry basket.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that bed.
Huge closet. It's got the plug-in, so if you have your vacuum.
It's got the window shelves, and then where you can charge your phones or tablets or whatever.
I'll let you get the closet.
Alright. Got this cool light that I like. And then a place where you can mount your cordless vacuum and then plug it in right there. It's got some shelves here. Alright, and the top of this has the hidden storage, so that's kind of cool.
We just couldn't open it yesterday, but I think it probably closes hard like that so it doesn't fly open.
Yeah.
I like
days.
that.
Cool. Alright, so you got the refrigerator right here. The Ever Chill refrigerator. You've got the MORryde slide out tray, comes out this way. And then you got this huge amount of basement storage. More controls here, your awnings, your radio. That's pretty cool. So here's the basement storage from the front side of the RV. You have access to it as well. And onboard generator and some lithium batteries at the very bottom of the front of the RV here. Also, looks like they've been putting the Gen Y hitches on, which is pretty awesome. More storage on this side. Got some propane tanks on either side. There's your Nautilus system again. And then another MORryde tray here, and a cable roll up. So you don't have to roll your 50 amp cable up by hand. It's got the on-demand water heater. One of the features I really like about the Brinkleys is they have the onboard air compressor, and then also your fuel tank for your toys or whatever you need to fill up. I really like how they did the railings instead of keeping it this consistent mesh, because our mesh always looks nasty, so this is nice.
4,000. It's like right in their butt.
All right, we hope you enjoyed the video of the Brinkley 3500. Patricia, that one's for you.